Shares of Indian IT companies fell after AI startup Anthropic released a productivity tool. The IT index has fallen over 6%, and all of those stocks seeing big cuts. Rima is here with all of those details. Rima, what's spooking these IT stocks?
Well, the fear is of disintermediation. Just to take a step back and understand what happened. So Anthropic has released a Claude co-work agent. It's agentic AI, and they've done it for 11 segments. One of them is legal. And basically, this is not sold as a separate standalone AI tool. It's built directly into the platform enterprises already. It's built into the platforms that enterprises already use today. So the fear is of disintermediation. Now, there are many companies which sit between an LLM and an enterprise. They use the power, the infrastructure, the ability of the LLM to understand the enterprise's workflows, the data, the unstructured, structured data, and come up with analytics. Right? There are companies which do that. So Claude AI, the agentic AI, has done it for 11 sectors, and one of them, the legal one, has actually spooked a lot of them because it can go through compliance, it can do documentation reviews, it can come out with legal briefs. So the fear is that what if going forward you don't need that that integration service provider, that intermediary, and even if you don't replace the intermediary, the fear is that can it cause deflationary pressure, pressurize the revenue pool. And even listed IT companies do earn certain amount by implementing customization, integration, and maintaining enterprise software. So yesterday there was a sell-off across the board. Companies which provide software tools to legal companies, there are data analytics companies which sold off, even SaaS companies like ServiceNow, Salesforce sold off. Here in India, you are seeing a brutal sell-off, and it comes at a time when the sentiment surrounding the technology space has also been very weak. IT companies have gone through a period of deflation, and now the fear is that there will be increased deflation. But is the sell-off overdone? What is the other side of the story? Listen in to the opinion Shireen got when she spoke to IT majors surrounding the impact of AI on their operating business model when she chatted with them at Davos.